Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome to Toronto. Oh, so excited to be here. I'm currently just in Connor's parents' house in the bathroom. I'm about to start putting some makeup on because I'm meeting up with Tara pretty soon. Obviously just got here and need to see her immediately. It's only right. I'm sort of curious, so Connor's mom writes for the Globe here in Toronto, so she's constantly getting sent stuff to review. She gets like more PR than I do. I think this is probably like a little beauty line that got sent to her. This is called the Super Hydrator from it's just called Beauty, it looks like. I'm sure she wouldn't mind if I tried some of this. Ooh, oh, it's thick. It felt like runny in my hands, but it's thick on the skin. Sort of nice. Ooh, I like that. Thank you, Gail. Here in Toronto, basically Connor and I woke up pretty early this morning so that we could go to the airport. My mom dropped us off. We were there by like 7:30, just because I had heard that Newark was a little hit or miss with whether it was like easy to get through or not. And when I was at Newark, this was over the holidays, which was always crazy, but when I was there over Christmas, it was an insane wait and I almost missed my flight. So I figured might as well get there early. Plus our flight was it was leaving at 10, although it ended up getting delayed until 10:50, so. But you know, in theory, we were leaving at 10, so I was like, Connor, let's just go early. That way if security is long, we'll still make the flight. And if it's short, we can go into a lounge because Connor has lounge access. So security ended up taking no time at all. So we just hung out in the Virgin Atlantic lounge at the terminal, and it was really nice. Hung out there. It like made it a lot more bearable when our flight got delayed. It didn't get delayed much. It was about an hour, so that was fine. And we flew into the Island Airport here in Toronto, Billy Bishop. If you guys are familiar, it's aren't familiar rather, it's a much smaller airport than Toronto Pearson, which has also been an absolute nightmare for people. So again, that was super quick and easy. Within like a half hour, we were through customs, had our bags, and we're on our way, which was lovely. Got here, went out to lunch with Connor's dad, which was really nice, and then came back and got some work done, and here we are, 5:30, getting ready for the evening. So I'm meeting up with Tara for drinks. We're meeting at this bar on Queen Street West called Death and Taxes, I think is what it's called. Very funny name. I haven't looked it up, but she said it's somewhere she's been wanting to try, so we're gonna try it out together. And then after that, we are going out to dinner at a place called like Bar Poet, I think it's called. Little pizza place, looks super cute, and I think Connor's gonna meet us for dinner, which will be really fun. So I'm not exactly sure what this vlog that you're watching is going to be, because I think it might be a little makeshift put together. And that's just simply because you know, I feel like I say this every time I'm in Toronto when I'm with Connor's family. I don't really get a say in what we do, and I certainly never want to like put them on camera if they don't want to be. Not that they necessarily don't want to be. I've honestly never asked. I think you guys get that without further explanation. And so I know that I'm seeing Tara tonight, obviously, so I'm vlogging. I'll probably vlog a little bit tomorrow, although probably not the whole day because we're out with Connor's friends tomorrow night. I might get a couple clips on my phone, but for the most part, I just want to enjoy seeing them because I haven't seen a bunch of them in quite some time. And then after that, we're going to the Cottage, and we're actually celebrating Connor's dad's birthday this weekend. So again, not exactly sure how much of that I'll vlog. Probably, I don't know, no promises. This vlog may end up being a little bit of a mishmash, thrown together, stuff from like today, stuff from next week, maybe a couple things from over the weekend. We're just gonna see. We're gonna find out together. It was definitely sad leaving New Jersey this morning though, as excited as I am to be here. It always sucks saying goodbye to my family. Honestly, this trip was so much fun. It's fun every time, but I don't know, I just had such a good time this trip that it made it like harder to leave and say goodbye because I wasn't really ready for it to be over. I was having too much fun. Definitely sucks. So I think I'm just going to finish getting ready now, and then we have to figure out what I'm gonna wear, but I'll show you guys that before I leave the house. Okay, here's the vibe, and we're going with little blue strappy heels as well. Yeah, that's cute, I think. It's gonna have to do. We don't have that many options anyway. Here's the sort of vibe, and I'm gonna call my Uber now. Bestie's back!
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
I am so happy too. It's so good. Of course, matching drinks. I forget what these are called, but they're like coconut espresso martinis, which looks so good. It is so cute in here too. And the night has just begun. Good stuff. Next location, Bar Poet. Yay. I'm excited.
Been dying to go.
So adorable. Love it. Next up, this drink, which is the watermelon daiquiri. Looks so good. I'm very excited to try it. Cheers. Cheers. Ching.
And we spill everywhere. Ooh, that is so good. Amazing. Love it.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Welcome, Connor, to the group. How is it? Good?
You're a love.
It never lets me down.
Eat, sleep, bed, so it's okay.
Ending our night here at Bellwood with my two favorite people.
Yay! A jelly sandwich.
Very fun night, friends.
It was a good night.
It was a
Lots
very
of
good night.
It was a good night.
Prime entertainment.
And you know, it was pretty tame, honestly.
It was.
It did end up being very
Well, it is a Wednesday.
Yeah,
so
it is.
next weekend, not so tame.
No.
Exactly. Next weekend we're dragging Tara to the cottage with us. So
Dragging.
yes.
They have to pull me up there. I don't want to go.
Yeah, but we're forcing her. You know how it goes.
Twisting my arm.
Many more nights like this ahead. Can't wait.
Yay!
Hi friends, it's the next day and I'm just about to call my Uber to head out and meet up with Tara. We're gonna go get our nails done. My nails desperately need to be redone. And I'm actually trying something new today, so I will keep you in the loop with what I think about it. Basically, couldn't find a single salon in Toronto that would do gel X for me. Tara told me that that was sort of not really a thing here. So I should have gotten them done before, but I didn't, and that's totally fine anyway, because I'm going to try biogel / gel extensions. We're gonna see. My nails have grown out super long under these, but I'm not sure if they'll be able to like save them while they're taking the nails off. I'm gonna ask them to try. That way I can have as much of my real nails possible. And then like my pinkies, both of the nails broke underneath. So for those I can get the gel extensions, I think. I don't know, we're gonna see what the situation is once I'm there. I'm not totally sure, but I'm very excited to get some fresh nails. I got these done before Hawaii on like June 15th and it is now July 28th. So it's been a long time with these guys on. Definitely time for some fresh nails. I have no idea what I'm getting yet, so I'm gonna figure that out in the Uber on the way there. But anyway, let's go. Another adventure in Toronto. Okay, gals are done with the nails. I'll give you a better look at them when we're not walking.
They are good.
Tara got her toes done.
Yay.
Cute little orange. But yeah, biogel. Very excited about this.
It's so good.
I'm liking
You're gonna
it.
love it. You're gonna be like obsessed.
Yeah, and now we are off to get some food because we are both very hungry.
Yes.
We have not eaten yet. Where are we going?
Mia Brunch Bar.
Mia Brunch Bar for a little mimosa, some yummy food, and then some more exploring. Hello. Same spot as last time. Okay, we have many a drink. Tara told me that we had to try this. This is a like vanilla cold foam Earl Grey latte. Yes, there we go. So cute. And then this is a mimosa that has half orange, half pineapple. So good. Very, very excited about this. Okay, I want to get a video of stirring this because I think it's going to be satisfying. Oh yeah.
Look at all that.
Look at that beauty.
No, this is a dessert drink. It is.
I'm excited. Oh my god.
Okay, is it?
It's amazing.
Okay, let me try.
That is truly 10 out of 10.
Okay, obviously. That's how I felt the last time I tried it.
Like I could just like chug this whole thing.
Imagine full sweet.
Yes.
It would be a little aggressive.
Oh yeah, no, this is actually perfect. Alrighty, food arrived. Tara got an avocado toast with scrambled eggs, and I got the breakfast poutine, which has poached eggs on it. It looks so good. Very, very excited. Hi friends, it is quite a few days later, and we are in a new location. We're actually here at Connor's cottage right now, which has been so fun. We've been here all weekend. It's Monday now. Yeah, we've just been celebrating Connor's dad's birthday. He had some friends up, and yeah, hanging here with Connor, Dylan, Connor's brother. Dylan had a friend here. It's been really nice, very relaxing. It is actually a long weekend here in Canada, so everyone has off except for little old me. So I've just been here trekking away at work, at the table here. But actually quickly, I want to cut back to a couple days ago, just like a couple little clips, because we actually had a pool day at Tara's parents' house, but I did not vlog very much that day, so I figured we could just like throw it in here really quickly.
Tomorrow we're having family over. And other than that, nothing really.
But I think we put them.
Drinks.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. No, not that one. In the pink,
Oh, sorry.
and then the white one.
Yep.
The Tara's camera's
Yeah,
on.
I got it.
Thank you.
Wait, this one?
Yeah. So
you can just
move
move the camera on the bottom.
Thank you, Colin.
How's the temperature, girls?
You know, it's weird.
There are cold patches and warm patches.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, wait. Eyes here, ladies. Eyes here. Eyes here. Both of these girls are cheaters. I know.
No, I am not a cheater, but Tara
Tara definitely is a cheater.
Only when it comes to games.
Yeah, only one.
That's when you can cheat, Tara. I don't cheat on men.
That's true. That is true.
She
3,
already found her first one, so hopefully
2, 1, go.
I can't see shit down there. All right, I'm going back under, man. Okay, go ahead.
I can see like 3 from here. Yeah, Jill, that's your strategy. Spot, there you go. Oh, I see one. There you go. There you go.
Hey, everyone.
Jill will not be
Swimming in November. Don't worry.
Absolutely not.
Yes. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Yay.
Thank you for hosting. Oh, good. I realize I'm not part of this.
Okay.
Ooh, all right.
You could do it. I didn't even taste that. Oh my god, look at my hair.
You guys ever watch that movie, Blue Lagoon?
This drink, if you have it
There were a lot of good sex scenes.
Oh.
Cheers!
Salud.
Salute.
Oh, I'm so happy this finally happened.
Right?
It felt like a very long time coming. Fresh.
way too long.
Oh, it's really good. And now that we've gotten that out of the way, we should dive into what is most important in this vlog, and that is meeting Connor's parents' dog, Gus, because he is so cute. He likes to sit on people's feet, so he's currently just sitting right below me, but let's get him. Let's get him up. Oh, yeah, I know you're tired. You don't want to move. He's like, please hold me. Come on. Literally just wants the belly rubs, right? Yeah, you just want belly rubs all the time. Everyone else is out golfing right now, so it's just me and Guster here having the best time. Stretch it out, stretch it out. Yes, Gus. Are you the cutest boy in the whole world? He's exhausted, I think, from this weekend. There were so many people here, so he was running around like a madman with another dog that was here. It's been an eventful few days, huh, little Gus? Just a cuddler, right? You want to cuddle all the time? Oh, yeah. He's gonna fall asleep right here in my arms. That's so cute. Gooster. Gooster. A little goose boost. I mean, look at this little face. He's so cute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, yeah. Here we go. He's a mini Bernedoodle, aren't you? Yes. He's so good, like very, very well behaved. He gets a little wild sometimes. He's a puppy after all. Yes, you're a good boy, that's what I'm saying. For the most part, he honestly is so good. Oh, kisses. Oh, thank you. He never gives kisses, so I love that. Yeah.
He'll like run around their whole property here that they have in Muskoka, but never like runs off. He's so good. When you take him on walks, he'll like trot ahead of you, but then stop and look back because he's got to make sure his people are still with him. He's just so good and sweet that way. Oh, oh, stretch it out, Gus. Yeah. I sort of feel like taking a break from work, so I think I might go sit outside for a little while, right? Okay, Gus, you wanna go outside? Come here, give me a hug. Okay, stretch it out first. And then a hug. Oh yeah, he's just so lazy. Okay, bub. There you go. Yeah, his favorite place outside, right? Are you excited? Oh, hi, Bubby. Good boy. Yeah, he's ready for a play. Ready to play? Okay, let's do it. End of the day here, we actually got quite a bit of rain, which was very nice to work to. I worked until just now. Let's see what time it is. 6:42, so not so bad. Got off a lot of emails today, which is nice. And now we are heading to dinner at the club, which is gonna be really fun. Just have on classic little fit here and we're off. It is Tuesday now, friends. I'm vlogging on my phone because all of my memory cards are so filled up with clips right now. So we're just doing a little phone vlog to wrap this off. Exactly, so much content. But Con and I are actually back in the city now and we are back to the cottage tomorrow. Yeah. We had to come back because Con is doing a little day trip to New York tomorrow for work. And Tara and I have some fun plans tomorrow too, which will be in the next vlog.
Some more content.
Yes, more content. So we just decided to come back to the city, even though we are going to drive back to Muskoka tomorrow night, but
There's
pretty
no
late,
place
I think.
We'd rather be.
Exactly. Yeah, so we just sort of felt like going on an evening walk here, and then we're gonna go home, order some food, and have a very nice, chill night in. Okay, dinner time. We went for sushi. Look at how amazing all of this looks. I'm pretty pumped, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm pretty cheap.
Yeah, it was pretty cheap. I love it. And we're gonna watch some Game of Thrones too. We recently decided to restart it. We are on season 1, episode 2, so pretty pumped.